Good morning all of you. In the last class we have completed the calculation of DPC and today we are going for the calculation of next item of work, that is brickwork in superstructure of a multi-room building using long wall and short wall method. So in the details of measurement form, write down first class brickwork in superstructure, then first part, that is drawing room and left bedroom. So first we will move to the first part, that is drawing room and left bedroom. So this is the first part. So in this first part, these two are the long walls. So in order to get the length of the superstructure along this long wall, so we have to add half of the width of the wall, superstructure wall on both sides with the center to center length. So the center to center length we will add, as this is the brickwork in superstructure. For this we will refer the cross section of main wall. So here you can see the main wall is of width 30 centimeter. So with the center to center length we will add half of the width of the 30 centimeter for on both sides, and this one is the height. So brickwork in superstructure is a cubic meter item. It has length, breadth and depth. So height of this or depth or height. So you can write it as height. So this height is 4 meter. Clear? This is the height of the superstructure work. So for length calculation, with the center to center length, we will add half of the width of the superstructure on both the sides. Okay. Now we will move to the details of measurement form. So in details of measurement form, this long wall is of number 2. In the remark column, write down the center to center length is 10.6. With this we will add half of the width of the brickwork in superstructure on both sides, that is 0.3. So this will give you 10.9. Width of the brickwork in superstructure is 0.3 and height is 4. So by multiplying all these 4, we will get the quantity as 26.16 cubic meter. Okay. Next we will move to the short wall. So short wall, for short wall there are 3 numbers of short wall, and the center to center length of this short wall, as we have calculated earlier, is 5.3 meter. So from this 5.3 we will subtract half of the width of the brickwork in superstructure from both the sides. So this will give you the length as 5 meter, width is 0.3, height is 4. So by multiplying all these 4, we will get the quantity as 18 cubic meter. Next we will move to the second part. So this one is the second part. In this there are 2 numbers of long wall and 2 numbers of short wall. First we will go for calculation of long wall. So here, from with the center to center length of the long wall, you have to subtract half of the width of the brickwork in superstructure from one side, as this wall has already been completed, and add half of the width of the brickwork in superstructure for the other side. Clear? And here for this second part, the center to center length of long wall is 9.6. Okay. for the second part, this is the center to center length of long wall and center to center length of short wall, that is 4.8 meter. Okay. So for short wall, these two are short wall. So for short wall, from the center to center length of short wall, we have to subtract half of the width of the brickwork in superstructure from both the sides. So this is all about the second part. Now we will move to the details of measurement. So here your center to center length is 9.6. So from that subtract half of the width for one side and add half of the width for the other side. So length becomes 9.6, width is 0.3 and height is 4. By multiplying all this, we will get 23.04 cubic meter. Next, we will move to the short wall. So for short wall, see, the center to center length is given as 4.8. So from 4.8, we will subtract half of the width of the brickwork in superstructure from both the sides. So this will give you the length as 4.5. Number of short wall is 2. So length is 4.5, width is 0.3 and height is 4. By multiplying all these, we will get the quantity as 10.80 cubic meter. So with this, second part is also over. Then we will go for calculation of front veranda. So in front veranda, at the window sill, this plan is taken at the window sill level. So at the window sill level, there is no brickwork in the front veranda. Therefore, it is shown in dotted line. But you can see the cross-sectional diagram of this veranda wall. Here you can see there is some brickwork of 0.65 meter on the entire veranda. So first in this calculation, we will consider the entire veranda as solid and then we will subtract the portions where there is no brickwork. Clear? So first we will consider this entire length as solid and then deduct the portions where there is no brickwork. That means the brickwork is only for this depth, that for 0.65 meter depth. The brickwork is only for this depth. So we will first consider the entire as solid, that means from 2.40 plus 0.65 for the entire depth, that is 3.05 meter. And then we will subtract this much of portion, that is 2.4 meter from the total quantity. Okay. So here we will consider first as front veranda as solid. Okay. So the center to center length of front veranda is 9.65 meter. So the center to center length of front veranda is 9.65. So from center to center length, this wall is connected, this front veranda is connected to one side a 30 centimeter wall and to another side a 20 centimeter wall. So from the center to center length of long wall, we will subtract half of the width of the brickwork in superstructure for 30 centimeter wall and we will add half of the width of the brickwork in superstructure for the 20 centimeter wall. Clear? That means from the center to center length of 9.65, we will subtract 0.3 by 2 and add 0.2 by 2. Okay. So for this, front veranda, you can see this is the front veranda, long wall 1. So from the center to center length of 9.65, we will subtract minus 0.3 by 2 and add plus 0.2 by 2. So the net length will become 9.6. Breadth is the breadth of the superstructure wall of veranda is 0.2 and height is 3.05. This is the total height of the veranda wall. So this is 3.05. Then by multiplying all these 4, we will get the quantity as 5.86 cubic meter. Then we will move to the short wall. So the center to center length of front veranda short wall is 2.25 meter. Okay. Therefore, and this short wall is connected on one side to a 30 centimeter wall and on the other side to a 20 centimeter wall. So from the center to center length of short wall, we will subtract half of the width of the superstructure for 30 centimeter wall and subtract half of the width of the superstructure for the 20 centimeter wall. Clear? So center to center length is 2.25. So from 2.25 we will subtract, this is the short wall, number is 1, so length becomes 2. Center to center length is 2.25, subtract 0.3 by 2 minus 0.2 by 2. So this will become 2 meter, width is 0.2, height is 3.05. Multiplying all these, we will get the quantity as 1.22 cubic meter. Next, we will move to the back veranda including bathroom. So the long wall, the length is same as the front veranda. So this becomes 9.6, breadth 0.2, depth 3.05. Then by multiplying these 4, we will get the quantity as 5.86 cubic meter. For short wall, the center to center length of short wall for the back veranda is 2.75. So from this we will subtract half of the width, because this short wall is again, the back veranda short wall is also connected to one side to a 30 centimeter wall and other side to a 20 centimeter wall. So we will subtract half of 0.3 by 2 and half of 0.2 by 2. So this will give you the net length as 2.5. Number of short wall in the back veranda is 2, width is 0.2, depth is 3.05. Then by multiplying all these, we will get the quantity as 3.05 cubic meter. And by all, so with this we have completed the entire building. And now you will add all the parts, so that you will get the quantity as, this is the gross quantity, 93.99 cubic meter. But we have taken the entire building as solid, but there are some door openings, window openings, shelf, your lintel, front veranda opening, back veranda opening. So all these we have to deduct from this gross quantity. So in the next class we will do the deduction part. Thank you.